Imagine a world where your home, your business, and even your car are powered not by finite, polluting resources, but by a clean, endless supply of energy: the sun. As climate change accelerates, the necessity for renewable energy solutions becomes not just advisable but imperative. This is not just about saving the environment, it's about transforming our entire energy infrastructure for a sustainable future. Solar energy, a powerhouse of renewable resources, offers a promising path forward. This essay delves into the reasons why establishing a solar energy company is not just a lucrative business venture, but a necessary step towards a sustainable future for domestic, agricultural, livestock, and industrial use. In an era dominated by discussions of climate change and energy security, renewable energies are not just alternatives but imperatives. They represent a pivot from the destructive, finite resources that currently power our planet to solutions that promise sustainability and resilience. Solar energy, with its vast potential, stands at the forefront of this transformative journey. Renewable energy encompasses sources that are continually replenished by natural processes. Unlike fossil fuels, which take millions of years to form and offer a one-time energy release, renewables like solar, wind, and hydro are infinite and environmentally friendly. The shift toward renewables isn't just about environmental stewardship, it's about building a sustainable, energy-independent future that transcends generations. This section highlights the significance of renewables today, offering a foundational understanding that sets the stage for a deeper exploration of solar energy specifically. Understanding the distinction between renewable and non-renewable energy sources is crucial for grasping the urgency and necessity of transitioning to renewables. Non-renewable resources, including coal, oil, and natural gas, are limited and carry significant environmental impacts from extraction to combustion. On the other hand, renewable energies derive from natural cycles and systems that are replenished over short periods. This category includes solar, wind, geothermal, and biomass energies, each with unique benefits and suitable applications. This part provides a clear demarcation between these two fundamental types of energy, setting the stage for an in-depth look at how solar energy operates and why it is a viable leader in the renewable sector. Solar energy harnesses the sun's power through photovoltaic cells that convert sunlight directly into electricity. This process, known as the photovoltaic effect, involves no moving parts and produces no emissions, marking a clean break from traditional power generation methods. The basic unit of a solar power system is the solar panel, which comprises multiple solar cells. When sunlight hits these cells, it frees electrons from their atomic orbits, generating an electrical current that can be used to power homes, businesses, and beyond. This section delves into the technical aspects of solar power, providing a clear understanding of its operation and efficiency, which are critical for anyone considering entering the solar energy sector.
Solar energy presents numerous advantages, such as reducing dependency on fossil fuels, lowering greenhouse gas emissions, and offering a limitless energy supply. For businesses, it promises significant long-term cost savings and a strong return on investment due to reduced energy bills and maintenance costs. However, the path to solar dominance isn't without hurdles. High initial installation costs and the need for substantial sunlight to achieve optimal efficiency pose challenges. Moreover, solar technology's intermittent nature requires solutions for energy storage to ensure a consistent power supply. This part explores the dual aspects of solar energy, its benefits in promoting sustainability and independence, and the challenges that must be navigated to fully harness its potential.
The economic landscape of solar energy is characterized by an initial investment, followed by long-term savings and benefits. The cost of installing solar panels has decreased significantly over the past decade, making it more accessible to a broader range of consumers and businesses. Beyond individual savings, solar energy also contributes to job creation in the green technology sector. From manufacturing to installation and maintenance, new jobs are being created, which stimulates local economies and supports global economic health. This section examines both the upfront costs and the downstream economic benefits of investing in solar energy, underlining its role not only as an environmental solution, but as an economic catalyst.
The effectiveness of solar energy systems depends heavily on specific factors like geographic location and local weather patterns. Areas with high sunlight exposure naturally yield more electricity from solar installations than regions with frequent cloud cover and shorter daylight hours. Additionally, the infrastructure for solar energy, such as the availability of suitable rooftops or land for solar farms, plays a critical role in its deployment. These dependency factors determine the feasibility and efficiency of solar energy solutions in different environments. This part addresses the key dependencies that influence solar energy production, highlighting the importance of strategic planning and site selection in the development of solar projects.
Countries around the world are harnessing the power of the sun at an unprecedented scale. Nations like Germany, China, and the USA are leading the way in solar technology adoption, driven by governmental policies and incentives that support renewable energy growth. Prominent projects such as the photovoltaic power station in Longyangxia, China, and the solar farms in California's Mojave Desert showcase the potential of large-scale solar installations to meet significant portions of national energy demands. This section explores how different countries are advancing in the solar sector, providing insights into the strategies and investments that have propelled them to the forefront of the renewable energy transition.
The future of solar energy is bright, fueled by continuous technological advancements and increasing global awareness of renewable energy benefits. Innovations in photovoltaic materials and solar cell efficiency are making solar power more accessible and economical. Trends indicate a growing shift towards decentralized, consumer-driven energy models, where individuals and businesses produce their own power and even sell excess back to the grid. The potential impact of these changes on the global economy and the environment is profound, promising a more sustainable and economically vibrant world. This part looks ahead to the innovations reshaping the solar industry and the trends that are likely to define its trajectory in the coming years, emphasizing the transformative potential of solar energy.
Starting a solar energy company involves more than just technical knowledge. It requires a strategic approach to market analysis, business planning, and customer acquisition. Essential steps include understanding the regulatory environment, securing financing, and establishing a strong brand presence. This section outlines the key considerations for anyone looking to enter the solar market, from the initial business setup to scaling operations. It provides a roadmap for building a successful solar energy enterprise that can compete in the rapidly evolving energy sector.
Real-world examples of successful solar energy implementations provide not only inspiration, but also practical insights into what makes these projects work. From residential installations that dramatically reduce household energy costs to large-scale commercial farms that power entire communities, these stories highlight the versatility and impact of solar technology. This part shares inspiring success stories from around the world, illustrating the positive change that solar energy can bring to different sectors and communities.
Government policy plays a pivotal role in the adoption and expansion of solar energy. Incentives such as tax breaks, subsidies, and grants can make solar projects more financially viable and attractive to investors and consumers alike. This section explores how various policies and regulations have shaped the solar energy landscape, influencing everything from technology development to market penetration and public perception. Public perception of solar energy has evolved significantly over the years, with increasing awareness of its benefits and a growing demand for sustainable practices. Market trends reflect a robust growth in the solar sector, driven by consumer demand, technological advancements, and policy support. This part examines the current dynamics in the solar energy market, discussing how consumer attitudes are influencing and being influenced by the broader energy and economic policies.
The journey to a solar-powered future is paved with challenges, but the benefits, environmental, economic, and social, far outweigh the initial hurdles. As this essay has explored, solar energy is not just a feasible alternative, but a necessary revolution in our approach to energy production. This concluding section synthesizes the key points discussed throughout the essay, emphasizing the importance of continued support and promotion of solar technologies. It calls on readers to advocate for policies and practices that favor renewable energy and to consider the role they can play in this energy transition. As we look towards a brighter, cleaner future, the role of solar energy becomes increasingly central. It's not just about generating power, it's about empowering communities, igniting economic growth, and preserving our planet for future generations. This final thought encourages readers to stay informed and engaged with the developments in solar energy, fostering a proactive approach to sustainability and innovation in the field. Thank you for reading, and let's continue to harness the sun's boundless energy for a sustainable tomorrow. Solar energy is not just a technological advancement, it is a movement towards a more sustainable and equitable world. By adopting solar energy, we are taking a stand for the environment and future generations. The innovations in solar technology are paving the way for a cleaner, greener planet. Education and awareness are key to driving this change, ensuring that everyone understands the benefits and potential of solar energy. From urban centers to remote areas, solar energy is making a significant impact. It is reducing our carbon footprint and helping combat climate change. The future of solar energy is bright, with endless possibilities for innovation and growth. Community projects and initiatives are at the heart of this transformation. Together we can make a global impact, one solar panel at a time.
We hope you liked the video and it is useful to you. We are sure that it has been able to inspire you to choose what direction you are going to take when starting your business. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like, and activate the notification bell. Share us. We hope to see you in the next video.